Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of mine. Today I'm just going to be cleaning around my house. I decided to really just deep clean and get a hold and tackle some things that I've kind of put off for a little while. So if you guys are interested to see what I have done to do some cleaning and have some cleaning motivation for you, then go ahead and keep on watching.
Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. Missing someone, I am sad and so I am sad and so
So here I am just starting in our upstairs bathroom. We do have two bathrooms. This one is a little bit smaller, which kind of stinks, but it works and I'm okay with that. So what I did in here was just clean off the sink and the faucet, and then I also cleaned off the toilet and everything. I tend to neglect these areas, so I'm trying to focus on doing these more just because it's something that I forget about, and I really would like to keep up on it more just because we are in here every day and I would like it to be a little bit more clean and everything just brushed up and smell nice in here. So I just focus on cleaning up the bathroom by cleaning out the toilets, sink, faucet, and then I also swept and shook off the rug that was in here to get some stuff picked up. It was really hard to get different angles to film in this bathroom, but it all worked out and it turned out fine, but it was just really difficult. Here I ended up doing some laundry. I don't even know how many loads I did. I probably did like 10. We had guests over and I just wanted to make sure that everything was cleaned up. So usually when I have guests, I would like to wash all like the blankets and pillowcases and sheets and like stuff like that from when they were sleeping, because we have a spare bedroom and I wanted to get that spotless and clean up the comforter and sheets and all that stuff. So that took quite a bit of time to do some different loads of laundry, but right now I am currently in our basement and I hate it down here because my dogs shed so much, and every time I sweep I just pick up so much loads of hair from them and it just drives me bonkers. But what can you do if you have dogs, right? But currently I'm in the downstairs bathroom and I don't think this toilet looks like it's ever been cleaned. I definitely made this a goal to do this while I was cleaning my house because it looked pretty bad, but it turned out really good in the end and I just ended up wiping that down. But here's a trick for you guys if you guys are wondering how to let that drip off without dripping it all over your floor and stuff. Just close the lid and let it sit and drip for a little bit, and that was just a really big hack that I learned. But here I am just wiping it all down. I did shake off the rug and sweep in here, so I was just putting the rug back. One thing I neglected horribly was this shower head. It just, you guys, I should have just thrown it away, but and cleaning the shower head just made it look seriously so brand new. Like, it just looks crazy different afterwards. All I did was just mix some water and some vinegar into a baggie, and then I put the shower head inside and I let it hang. I did ended up hanging it like on my cupboard and just poked a hole through the baggie, and it worked out fine. So it just turned out so amazing compared to before. If you guys can see the difference, there is just a huge difference. It looks like I just went out and bought a new shower head. So definitely try this trick if you guys are interested. I just recently picked up a new comforter. This is in the brand called UGG, like UGG boots, but it's a comforter. And it was probably one of the best decisions I've ever made. This is probably the most comfortable, cozy, fuzzy comfort set you've ever felt in your entire life. The last thing I ended up doing was just dusting off my fan because we get spider webs. And then that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.